Hi everybody! I hope you enjoyed creating your witchy spells and that you had a magical and wonderful and weird and strange time. And I wonder if anybody managed to guess what your spell did before you actually revealed what the spell was for from the ingredients you put in. I'd love you to share those spells with me if you could, so that I can see them and try and guess myself. So it's time for the next part of the workshop. The next part is called Witch Hot Seat. There's a witch in your school and it's you. And you're trying to hide it from everybody. How does that make you feel inside? Can you manage to hide it? Do strange things keep happening around you or to you? What does it feel like to not be able to reveal your true self to people? What I want you to do is witch hot seat in your class. So hot seating means, if you don't know what it means, if you've not done it before, it just means that somebody sits at the front of the class and everybody else asks them questions. And the person sitting at the front of the class has to be in the character of a witch. Don't forget, if they ask you how it feels, you're okay to tell them because you're just exploring feelings and emotions and you don't have to hide anything. This is to help you put your character together for your story. So you don't have to hide things or keep things secret from your class while you're hot seating. I hope that makes sense. Good luck with it. It's a bit of drama. I love a bit of drama to help me with my stories. Good luck, and I'll see you for the next bit. Bye everyone.